If you're looking to add links and buttons to your Weebly website, you may just be in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to do both of those things quickly and easy. So let's dive in. So we're going to start out by adding a link first. So what we can do here is let's use some text. We're going to highlight some of the text. So let us use Shift and our arrow keys and just highlight the WCS over here. And just above that, you'll see a create link. Here, you can add a website URL, one of the current pages that are on your website right now. But we're going to go and use website URL. You can insert your URL here, and then you have the option to have that open in a new window or just open in this current window. I like opening in a new window because it just keeps the previous web page open as well. And if you click away, you'll find that this in actual fact has now made those changes. One of the other things you can do is on the left hand side, you have all of your blocks. Just at the bottom of basic, you'll see button. You can click down and drag this button over to any part of your page. I've got my button here now, and you're just going to click on that space. Here you can change its position, style, and text. And then if you go to link right over here, the exact same process, you go to website URL, add that URL in over there and click away, and that will now be an interactive button.